What's up, gang? Back with another one. Let's go check it out. Let's see what I'm doing today on my car. You already know. Gotta hit you with a mod almost every day, you feel me? Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and notification bell. You know all that stuff. Make sure to do that. Don't forget to do that. Back. And today I'm gonna be changing my upper radiator hose right there to the amazing killer glass. If you haven't already, go check that video out. This right here, they say you can run this over and it won't crack, but I'm not gonna try it. I did drop it, nothing happened. I got the brand new kit. It come with the shrink wraps and the LED light. So at nighttime, you get a car meet or something. It's already see-through, and then it's gonna like LED light in the back. I think it's red. Also got the hose. It's already pre-cut for that. So what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna loosen up this hose, drain out the fluid out of the upper hose and also the reservoir. And I don't know if it's clean enough, I'm gonna keep it. If not, I got one of these. I don't know how many I would need. So yeah, let me get into it. I gotta go find a catch pan. I might have to go to the store and buy a catch pan, but yeah, just this upper radiator hose I'm gonna swap out for this killer glass. So it'll look like, you know, beefing up the hood, underneath the hood. And after I get my new hood, I'm gonna start put decal stickers up at the top when I get my new hood. This hood is trash. This is actually getting sold. If anybody want to, let me know. But the Demon hood should be here any day now. That's what I'm really waiting on. I got the locks. It's not in that box. Probably in that box, but I got the hood locks, the pin locks, that's the new decal scratch, and the LED steering wheel. Everything's right there in that box. That's my little box. I got a bunch of boxes that I gotta get out of the garage and onto my car. So let me shut up and hurry up and get to it. So yeah. Okay, gang, I loosened this already. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to drain it from the top and also from that side. It rotates and all that. Not rotate, but it circulates. So I'm gonna drain the reservoir first, and then have the actual drain plug closed after I drain it. And then I'm gonna drain that side, the upper radiator hose. That's low. I'm gonna be cleaning that out too. After I drain it out, I'm gonna clean it out. It look nasty. Alright. Removing these hoses. This right here is just the overflow. Well, this might be the overflow, but I don't think any fluid's gonna come out of this. At the top. And this probably never been taken off the car. This is OEM. So I assume difficult to get off. I don't think that was going to happen at all. So, got the coolant draining inside of a gallon bottle, and you can see it. But I had to take out the intake so I can give more room to drain the reservoir. I didn't want to really waste it, one, all on the floor, and two, I didn't want to waste the fluid if I could save it. So, it's done. So this is what I got. Drained out, I think I'm clear to take this hold off. Okay, the reservoir is out. I'm gonna clean it too. It looks really, I got some build up in there. Shit, excuse my language. If I knew it was this bad, I probably would have ordered one. They're cheap. They're not that expensive. Spillage. Okay, I got that hose off. That is the bottom reservoir fluid hose, and then this is the, I want to say that's overflow, but I'm not too sure. Okay, this is the gang, so I got the clamp loose. I am gonna replace it. This factory clamp is just not it no more. Okay, so I'm about to pull this off. I'm pretty sure a little liquid's gonna come out, so I'm either gonna put something down there or like have something right under to catch the fluid. The only fluid I dropped so far is that little bit right there. So I'm actually catching my fluid. So yep, I'll be back when this is off. Then I'm gonna go through the process of installing the killer glass. But for now, I had to drain the reservoir, and now this is the upper radiator hose. I'm about to drain this. Shouldn't be that much fluid, just probably what's in here. And yeah. Okay, so just like I expected, it was just whatever that was in this hose. This is dripping a little bit. So I'm gonna wait until it stop dripping. I really just didn't want to get my radiator, my alternator wet. So I'm gonna let that drip till it stop dripping. Didn't finish taking off this hose. I did get a little bit on the ground, and it's leaking. But I will clean that up. Okay. So I got about this much fluid and this much fluid on the ground. Yeah, I had a bad spill. So it's good I got a gallon of antifreeze for backup. But when I took out the radiator hose that's connected to the actual radiator, a whole bunch of fluid just kept coming out. I couldn't stop it. So yes, it's best to put a pan at the bottom, but it's all good. So now I'm about to get the size right so I can do the fit. I'm actually gonna do that on camera, but I'm gonna do the cut off camera. I'm gonna do the shrink wrap and all that stuff on camera. Here's the instructions. Okay. I don't really read the instructions. So this is the smaller end, which fits on the radiator side. This is the wider end that fits on the thermostat side. The same with this one. And yeah, I noticed it had a spring inside of this. Inside of it. I don't know if I need that. So I'm about to use this little blade X-Acto knife. It's brand new, so okay, gang, I finally got the adjustments right. Now I'm about to put the shrink wrap on there to tighten it at the base, and also I'm gonna add 2 clips on each side, one right here and one right there, one right there and one right there. Okay, and then after that I'm gonna add the LED strips. Okay, finally got it to about where I feel like it'll fit pretty good. So now I gotta use these shrink wraps to seal these ends right here. Hey gang, let's check out the upgrade. So there we go. Killer glass, let me know. Would you install that? Do you like it? It's different mine, so at nighttime you can, you know, pull your hood up and get a little color in your hood. And I'm going red anyways with the demon look, so let me know if you like it.